friends, today we are going to learn one of the undervalued company, that is Lakshmi Mills Company Limited. This is undervalued in the textile or spinning sector. The reasons are its face value is rupees 100, its book value is rupees 6,853 and its current price is half of the book value. Its 52-week high is 3,539 and 52-week low is 1,403. Its market cap is very low, that is 241 crore. ROCE and ROE are less. But the factors here is face value of rupees 100 and book value of rupees 6,853. So it is recently in the increasing trend. If you see, it is in increasing trend. Pros: stock is trading at 0.51 times its book value. Okay, it is also declared a dividend of rupees 15 and X date is in September 2021. If you see their quarterly result, it is increasing its revenue. Operating profit also started increasing from December and March. The spinning sector is faced losses in the earlier years. This was due to the low cotton price. During the pandemic time in March and June time, it has hit the bottom where cotton prices are low. After that, the cotton prices are started increasing. Respectively, the cotton yarn prices also increasing. So you can see earlier it was in the negative EPS. From September 2019 onwards, it was giving negative result EPS, and it is made a turnaround from December 2020, March 2021 again rupees 95 EPS. If you see the current cotton price also at all-time high, so we can expect a better June result, and also as the demand for textiles is increasing, its EPS is going to increase in 2022 as well. So it is going to make a turnaround. You can see here their sales and their operating profit, net profit. So they have shown a positive EPS of rupees 52 in 2021. If you see, their share capital is very low, that is rupees 7 crore. Reserves are increased. If you see from March 2010 to March 2021, reserves are increased. Also, another factor to look into is promoter holding. You can see promoters are increasing their shareholding, and it was started 61.18, and you can see in June it is 63.36. So promoters are seeing their value in the company and they are increasing their shareholding. Similarly, the DII and government, they hold around 5%. Public, if you see, these are their sister companies, they also hold around 7%. So they are not going to sell it. So the public holding is very low. Hence, it is going to make a new high, since in spinning sector, textile sector, it is half of the book value. All other stocks are run significantly, but this stock is yet to perform compared to its peer. Okay, so if you see here, they have declared dividend. Ex dividend is of rupees 50 is on September 16th. Its face value is rupees 100. Its operating profit margin increased in March, increased in December. And if you compare here Lakshmi Mills along with the Super Sales or any other textile company, here face value of rupees 100 with the equity base of 6.96, with the sale of 75 crore, it is making 6.61 crore profit. If you compare here 10 crore face value, rupees 10 face value with the sale of 73 crore, it is making 6.38, and its value is, current price is rupees 725. If you convert this against rupees 10, its value becomes 346, and you can imagine it is undervalued. If you compare here, it will be undervalued. So in at least 2 months of time, it is going to double from here. It is a safe bet. Okay, here since the low floating share, okay, the trading volume is low. Once it starts generating interest, because it is yet to outperform or show the significant value appreciation compared to peers, which is going to happen in next 1 to 2 months, so we can see significant jump in the share price. Another reason is if you compare the cotton rate. So if you compare the cotton rate in this quarter, that is June to August, you can see clearly there is a 12% appreciation, and if you compare the spot price in October, there is a 16% appreciation. So you can see cotton prices are increasing. Also, if you see here, compared to the last year, the cotton prices are increased. If you see here, the average cotton price in April, May, June 2020 to April, May, June 2021, there is a 47% increase. So you can imagine, compared to the June quarter result, this year result will be good, and this trend is going to increase because of the COVID unlocking, and people are not done the shopping from last 1.5 years. So there is a need to purchase clothes. So the demand for clothes are increasing. There is a pressure on China, where US is banned their cotton imports due to Xinjiang region issues, which will indirectly benefit India and countries like Vietnam. So you can see there is a clear trend of cotton price appreciating, which indirectly benefit cotton and production prices. Also, this sector has underperformed couple of quarters. Now it is performing well, and it is going to perform well in the coming quarters. So one can look into this share, one can do the analysis, because you can clearly see the dividend yield is increasing. There is a chance of stock split from rupees 100 to rupees 10 once the price crosses around rupees 7,000. So one can look into Lakshmi Mills Limited. In 1 to 2 months time frame, it has to double because of the various factors which we explained, analyzed. So you can see This company is 100 years old. It produces yarns, fabric and special products. One can start accumulate this share like Indoborex Chemicals Limited. It is going to show its true potential in 1 to 2 months time. I request all of you to do the analysis, reasoning, and then take a call. Do not jump into the conclusion. Do your own research and then invest. Thank you.